So, hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is Journal 7 Days 7 Oracle Messages for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 11 till the 17th of May 2026. Please keep in mind these are general readings and general messages. This might or might not resonate. Even if it is resonating 100% with you, just take the messages as the guidance only. Whatever decisions or choices you guys are going to make based on these readings is your responsibility, not mine or my channels, okay? For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Let's see the overall energy for Pisces people for this week. Let's see what we have. So we have the lovers. Make choices from your heart, deeply emotional commitments, the power of love. All you guys have to do is listen to your heart when it is the matter of your heart. Don't listen to your mind, don't listen to the outside world. Just listen to your heart when you have to make the choices from your heart, okay? Deeply emotional commitments. Either it is going to be a commitment towards yourself or commitment towards others. There are very good chances of you guys having this energy of wanting to have deeply emotional commitments in this week. The power of love, the power of unconditional love, the power of family, the power of that kind of energy that gives you boost, that gives you happiness and peace, okay? Let's see the per day messages. 11th, we have the 6th of Gabriel. Congratulations, you have done a wonderful job. Time to move on to the next project. Awards, scholarships, or promotions. Pisces, you have done a wonderful job in your life, and this is the time for you guys to move on to the next project or next deed or next work opportunity. You guys are going to get some kind of awards or scholarships or promotions very soon. So keep on moving forward. You are doing a really wonderful job, and you are about to get the rewards of your hard work very soon. Awesome, congratulations. 12th of May, 3 of Michael. Release the past, you will grow from the situation. Time heals all wounds. If you guys are going to continuously you know keeping yourself stuck on a particular past person or situation, then you are not going to grow. Then you will not be able to have that kind of growth and expansion and happiness the way you wanted. So release the past, you will grow from this situation. It will take time to heal, but release the past. It's very important. Time heal all wounds. With time you will be able to get properly healed and move on properly. Oh my goodness, this is hard. 11, 12, 13. By the way, it's my birthday on 12th. You can wish me if you want to. 11, 12, 13th, we have the Empress. Time to act upon your plans. Creativity is rewarded. Luxurious or abundant resources. The time has come for you guys to act upon your plans, because you guys are just planning and doing nothing about a particular situation. The time has come for you guys now to act upon your plans. Creativity is going to be rewarded in many ways in your life, Pisces. So get in touch with your creative side and keep moving forward. You are going to get some kind of luxurious or abundant resources too in the coming future. 14th, we have the divine guidance, the search for meaning in life. Consider an alternative approach. Surround yourself with wise teachers or friends. You guys are going to get this energy of what is the purpose of my life? What is the meaning of my life? Let me search. So you guys might end up connecting with a mentor or a guru or a spiritual person, or you might feel like tapping into your spiritual side. Consider an alternative approach. Try to approach this situation searching for meaning in life from a totally different perspective. Let's say not taking the traditional route of spirituality or going on this path and leaving everything or everyone behind, but being in this world also, and then connecting with your spiritual side also. Surround yourself with wise teachers or friends. If you guys are having wise teachers, wise friends, and wise people around you, keep them around you. If you don't, try connecting with those kind of people or teachers or friends who can help you to grow in your life, emotionally and mentally and spiritually too. 15th, we have the Magician. You can manifest the life you want, Pisces. What you need will magically appear. Successful beginnings. Once you are going to have the proper clarity and understanding of what you want and why you want it, your manifestation game is going to be quite clear and quite faster, and everything will start appearing magically for you guys. Successful brand new beginnings are also possible on this particular day, so make good use of this day. You will be able to manifest something really beautiful or starting of some kind of manifestation game. 16th, we have the Eight of Raphael. There is something better waiting for you. Emotionally, there is really something really beautiful waiting for you. Really beautifully, magically aligned with your path is waiting for you. Do what you know is right for you. Do what you think or you know is right for you in the coming future. Pisces, a spiritual quest. Do what you know is right for you. Don't do what you think is right for you. Okay, when we know, we know. A spiritual quest, a spiritual path or spiritual journey is going to be opening up in front of you. So some might take it and some might not, but this is one of those days where you guys are going to feel very much interested in spirituality and spiritual quests and like things like that. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17th, we have the Six of Michael. It's the light at the end of the tunnel. Now you might be living in some kind of darkness, and time has come for you guys to see the light at the end of the tunnel. Instead of focusing on the darkness, focus on the light now. Breathe a sigh of relief and make new plans. Now you guys have to take a break from all the not so good things, not so, what should I say? Breathe a sigh of relief and make new plans. Okay. So the dark phase of your life, the dark period of your life is gone. Now you have to look for the light at the end of the tunnel and make new plans. Whatever happened, happened, Pisces. You can't change it. You can't do anything about it. No matter how godly, saintly, or spiritually aligned you are with the universe, you cannot change the past. It is going to remain the way it is. All you can do is start for the silver lining, start looking for the positivities in your life, optimism in your life, and make new plans to make your life more comfortable and beautiful and positive. Relocation or travel is also possible on this day that can lead to something really beautiful down the line. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys for this month. We have the Knight of Raphael, committed romantic relationships being swept off your feet, situations or topics that make your heart flutter. Pisces, there are energies of some kind of committed relationship. Either if you are already in one, then focus on that. There might be some kind of development coming in, or you guys taking it to the next level. If you are in an on and off, in and out kind of connection, there might be chances of commitment kind of energies coming in, situations or topics that makes your heart flutter. You guys are going to have some kind of situations or topic around love, around committed relationship, that is going to make your heart feel happy. Butterflies in the stomach. So enjoy. Cool. So the guidance here is that focus on your relationship area also. Don't ignore that part. Okay. Don't be so much focused on money, job, career, or within yourself that you're going to ignore the part that you should be taking care of along with these things also. So finding a balance is important. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.